We're in Merseyway, we're doing an Easter event, we've got a parade going on. Kids have been in and they've been making Easter bonnets, they've been having the face painted, we've got balloon artists.
So what do you have to do?
Well, you have to find each letter around Merseyway. We need to find hats with letters on. We don't know what it is till we find all of them. And then when we get back there and show them that we've got them all, we'll get a chocolate egg. Decorate.
Oh, it's decorate!
It's decorate!
High five, good work. Well done, guys.
We're in Stockport at Stockport Hat Museum, and we're here today to raise money for Brain Tumour Research. We're going to make some hats with some families. Welcome to HATwalk. So we're going to make some hats. Everyone excited? Yeah. We've got bunny ears going on over there. We've got Greek hats over here. We've got unicorns going on the girls' table over there. Where better to have a hat workshop than in such a great hat museum?
We've had great feedback. It's been a community-based event, everyone's been getting involved. Some of the kids have been like, this is the best day ever, which was fantastic to hear. Yeah, it's been great.